everyone. Under the art integration activity, I have prepared some slides on the topic about different kinds of salts. Let's know some facts about them. Now let's begin and know more about different kinds of salts. Now what is a salt? A salt is a compound formed from an acid by the replacement of hydrogen atom in an acid by a metal. For example, let us take HCl. If we replace hydrogen by a metal atom, say a sodium atom, then we will get a salt called NaCl. This is sodium chloride. Salts are formed by the reaction between the acids and the bases. In a way, we can say that a salt has two parents, an acid and a base. So, its name also consists of two parts. That is, first part is the name of the base and the second part is the name of the salt. For example, the name of the salt called sodium chloride comes from the sodium hydroxide as base and hydrochloric as acid. The salt of hydrochloric acid are called chlorides. Similarly, the salt of nitric acids are called nitrates. Now, let us know about the first salt, that is the common salt. A common salt is a white powder which is used in preparing food, especially vegetables and pulses. The chemical name of common salt is sodium chloride, NaCl. Sodium chloride is neutral salt. It can be made in laboratories by the combination of sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. Now, how do we get the common salt? The common salt is available in the seawater. The seawater is allowed to stand in the shallow pools for many days. And by the process of evaporation through the sun's heat, the water evaporates slowly and the common salt is left behind. The common salt which is left behind is purified in the industries and it comes to our home so that we can consume it after the purification. Now, let us know about the second salt, which is washing soda. Washing soda is a sodium carbonate containing 10 molecules of water of crystallization. This is sodium carbonate decahydrate. The formula of washing soda is Na2CO3.10H2O, in which 10 is the molecules of water of crystallization. Now, preparation of washing soda. A cold and concentrated solution of sodium chloride called brine. Brine is prepared by mixing salt in a water. Is reacted with ammonia and carbon dioxide to obtain sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is prepared by filtration, dried and heated. On heating sodium hydrogen carbonate, it decomposes to form sodium carbonate. Anhydrous sodium carbonate called soda ash is dissolved in water and recrystallized to get washing soda crystals containing 10 molecules of water of crystallization. Now, let us see uses of washing soda. Washing soda is a transparent crystalline solid which is used in glass, paper and soap industries. It is used in the manufacture of borax and as a cleansing agent for removing permanent hardness of water. Now, what is permanent hardness of water? Permanent hardness of water is when the water is containing calcium and magnesium ions in it. And when the calcium and magnesium ions are present in water, then we are unable to remove the soap from our body. It becomes so difficult to remove the soap, and so as to make the water soft, we add the washing soda. Now the third type of salt is baking soda. The chemical name of baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate. The formula of baking soda is NaHCO3. It is also called sodium bicarbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is produced in large scale by reacting a cold and concentrated solution of sodium chloride with ammonia and carbon dioxide. Uses of baking soda. Baking soda is used as an antacid to remove acidity. It is used for making baking powder. Used in fire extinguishers also. It is used for making or baking a cake. Now, let's know more about the fourth type of salt, bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is calcium oxychloride. The chemical formula of bleaching powder is CaOCl2. It is also called chloride of lime. Preparation of bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is prepared by passing chlorine gas over dry slaked lime. Uses of bleaching powder are: bleaching powder is used for bleaching cotton and linen in the textile industries and for bleaching wood, pulp and paper industries. It is used for disinfecting drinking water supply. Used for making wood unshrinkable. Now, let's know about the fifth salt, that is plaster of Paris, POP. Plaster of Paris is calcium sulfate hemihydrate. The formula of POP is CaSO4.12H2O, in which half is the water of crystallization. Now let's see about the preparation of POP. POP is prepared from gypsum. Gypsum is calcium sulfate dihydrate, CaSO4.2H2O. That is, gypsum is containing 2 molecules of water of crystallization. POP is prepared by heating gypsum to a temperature of 100 degrees Celsius. When it is heated, it loses 3/4 of its water of crystallization and forms POP. Now let's know about some of the properties of POP. It is a white powder. POP is used for setting up the broken bones, for making toys, for making false ceilings in our houses. Now, this comes to an end and we have seen about different kinds of salts. So, let's know about acids and bases too. Acids, what are acids? Now, let's know about acids. Acids are which releases H plus ions in aqueous solution. Aqueous solution means in water. Acids are sour in taste and it turns litmus red, means it turns blue litmus to red. Acids can be classified as strong, weak acids, monoprotic, polyprotic acids, ampholytes, non-ampholytes. And now let's know about bases. Bases are which do not dissociate H plus ions in aqueous solution, or we can say which release OH minus ions in the aqueous solution. Bases are bitter in taste, which turns red litmus blue. They partially dissolve in our skin. And acids and bases, while reacting, form salts. Thank you and have a nice day.